All right, Helen. I feel like my lashes are touching my eyebrow.
Are. Hey there, everybody. It's Helen. I'm the national artist for Sephora collection.
And I'm Hope from Team Sephora. And today, Helen and I tried 4 mascaras. So we tried 2 each, 1 on each eye, and we kind of reacted to them real time. They all do something a little bit different. So let's get started.
Yeah.
Okay, so Helen, the first mascara that I'm gonna try is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara, okay?
It does it all.
It does it all. So she is, let's look at the brush first. Oh. It's like a silicone. She's kind of flat.
Yeah.
But I like it.
Yeah.
So she is like a push-up bra for your lashes, allegedly. I've heard this on the streets, okay?
Let's see it.
The streets are talking. All right, so I'm gonna go.
I want to see it. Let's do
Okay.
it.
All right, Helen. I'm kind of loving this.
Oh my God.
I feel
it really
like-
does it all.
Yeah, I feel like my lashes are touching my
They
eyebrow.
are. They are.
Yeah, they're like having,
reaching for
they're
the
having a little
skies.
meeting up here, and I kind of
Nice.
like it.
It's beautiful.
It really was
Super
lengthening.
lengthening.
Ooh, ooh, I feel like a cartoon character. I should be
love
batting
it.
my
I love it.
eyelashes.
Yeah, totally. Okay, so along those same lengthening lines, I have the Ilia Limitless Lash Lengthening Mascara. This is a clean version of mascara that is also lengthening. And what I really like about this brush is it's that silicone brush, same kind of idea, and it has the flat sides, but it also has these like really long teeth on one side, so it really helps to like pull out and pull through each lash, so each lash is like coated and really like combed through.
Yeah.
So it's lengthening, defining.
It truly looks like a comb.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that it's just like one of those mascaras that really gives you all the definition and length that you need. Okay, what do we think?
They're right at your eyebrow. Truly.
Right?
Yeah, they really like combed up.
I know.
I'm loving it.
They're limitless.
Yeah.
They're so long.
It's in the name.
I love it.
You look like you could get all of your bills paid by a wealthy benefactor. Okay, so I'm really loving the Charlotte Tilbury Lengthening Mascara, but I'm gonna try a more volumizing one that I've
love
never
that.
tried before.
Nice contrast. Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it. So this is the YSL Lash Clash Extreme Volume Mascara. Let's get some first impressions from the brush.
Yeah, I've never seen this one.
Yes, so this is like a huge, massive cone. It's a little bit tapered at the end.
That's nice.
Yeah,
You can
for
get
like
some,
your inner corners or
yeah.
those little ones. And then, it looks like it just really grabs onto them.
Yeah.
So that one had a silicone, and this one is definitely fibrous, so.
And I think this one, it looks like it's going to deposit a lot of product because it's
Yes.
just so like fluffy.
It's very dramatic. It's very dark, like very black, very dramatic. I don't know anything about drama myself, but let's go ahead and try. I am really loving this one because they feel like fluffier and
Yeah.
more feathery, if that makes sense.
Yes, I totally agree. It's a volumized, but it's like you have double stack like faux
Yes,
lashes.
it looks
on.
like I
has,
have layers of lashes right now.
it's thick at the base, but then it definitely becomes extremely fluffy, and
Yeah.
it's super dark.
Yeah,
It's a really beautiful
like
mascara.
the jet black. Again, the drama.
Okay, so I also have an excellent option for volumizing. It's by Sephora collection. It's their Big by Definition Defining and Volumizing Mascara. First of all, just the color of the packaging is beyond. I love purple.
It's so fun and chic.
It's so pretty.
Yeah.
But in general, this is $12, so you truly can't go wrong.
Yes.
It has a really nice, like I would say just a smaller brush overall. So if you're used to having a volumizing mascara that has a bigger brush and you want something that's maybe a little bit smaller, this might be the way to go. I just really love it. It's a great one, and it also has like nourishing elements in it, so it's good for your lashes.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm excited to show you. This mascara is super voluminous.
Oh, yeah. Like, it's giving me very old Hollywood vibes.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
It is. And it builds forever. I feel like you
Yes.
could just keep going.
Yes, yes. I love it. All right, so Helen, let's review. I don't know if I have a favorite.
I know. It's so hard to tell.
Yeah.
For me, mascara is all about, like, you have a wardrobe of them and you wear
Yes.
different ones on different days.
Yeah, yeah. Like, I feel like the Charlotte Tilbury I'd wear with more of like a bare, like minimal look because it's a little more dramatic and they truly did pull up my lashes. Whereas the YSL, it's a little dreamier. It'd be great with like a smoky eye.
Oh, I love that.
Or like a liner look. So I think that's where I'm at.
I was actually going to say the opposite too, because I think like lengthening and like kind of just having these really fluffy, beautiful, long lashes is more of like a daytime look for me.
Yeah, okay.
And then having the Sephora collection that's like a little bit thicker, a little bit bolder, pairs really well with like a thicker, bolder eye look. So if you have like liner on, it just kind of meshes well together. They balance each other.
Yeah. To each their own. I will be taking both of these in my bag home.
Agreed. So I feel like I could go for all 4 of these mascaras, no problem. I think that they would do something different for everybody.
Yes.
So you're going to get some length. You're going to get some volume. We want to hear what you love at home. We'd love to hear. Maybe you like curl even?
Tell us. We want to know.
We want to know. So anyways, if you liked this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. And until next time, bye everybody.